Welcome to the Blake Goodman PC Attorneys Podcast. We provide a knowledgeable guide on bankruptcy law in the state of Hawaii so you can stay informed and get the fresh financial start you need. With over 80 years of combined experience in bankruptcy law, at Blake Goodman PC, we're ready to listen and help you get back on your feet. This podcast series is reviewed and approved by founding attorney Blake Goodman.
In this podcast, we will analyze how Hawaii's bankruptcy laws impact how frequently you can file for bankruptcy in the state. The decision to file for bankruptcy is a major one that comes with various stipulations and timelines. One common question is how often you can file for bankruptcy, a topic that necessitates professional insight. Guidance from a seasoned Honolulu bankruptcy attorney can shed light on this complex matter, helping you navigate your options and legal rights. At Blake Goodman PC, we've helped many clients understand Hawaii's specific bankruptcy regulations and timelines. Our goal is to empower you to make informed decisions about your financial future, explaining the rules around bankruptcy filing frequency and what they mean for you. First, let's understand the laws regarding how often you can file for bankruptcy in Hawaii. The frequency with which you can file for bankruptcy is governed by federal law, with some variations for different types of bankruptcy. For Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the most common type, you must wait 8 years from your previous filing date before you can file again. This waiting period exists to discourage bankruptcy misuse and gives individuals an opportunity to restore their financial health. The rules are more intricate if your prior bankruptcy case was under Chapter 13 and you now intend to file for Chapter 7, and they are. There is no waiting period for filing Chapter 7 if you paid off all of the creditor's claims in the previous Chapter 13 case. There is no waiting period for filing Chapter 7 if you paid 70% or more of the creditor's claims in the previous Chapter 13 case, and your Chapter 13 repayment plan was considered a good faith proposal, reflecting your best effort to repay. Best effort means you must have used all of your disposable income, or income left after paying for living expenses and mandatory payments, to repay the creditors. And if less than 70% and up to 100% of the claims were not paid in the previous Chapter 13 case, you must wait 6 years before filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy again. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, often referred to as a wage earner's plan, allows a debtor to repay some or all of their debts through a court-approved plan that spans 3 to 5 years. If you had previously filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy and now wish to file for Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you would generally need to wait at least 4 years from the date of your Chapter 7 filing. However, if your previous bankruptcy case was under Chapter 13 and you want to file for another Chapter 13 case, the waiting period typically reduces to 2 years from the date of your previous bankruptcy filing. Now, how does the frequency of bankruptcy filings affect your financial health? While bankruptcy can offer a lifeline to those drowning in debt, it's not without its consequences. Repeated filings can have a serious impact on your credit score, which in turn affects your ability to secure credit, housing, and sometimes even employment. Bankruptcy filings remain on your credit report for up to 10 years, depending on the type of bankruptcy. But a history of bankruptcy doesn't mean your financial health is permanently compromised. With disciplined financial practices and advice from a bankruptcy lawyer, you can rebuild your credit over time and set a course toward financial recovery. You might be wondering, what are the repercussions of regular bankruptcy filings? While bankruptcy is designed to provide relief for individuals struggling with unmanageable debt, it's not intended for repeated use without consequences. Several restrictions apply to regular bankruptcy filings, such as each bankruptcy filing leaves a lasting mark on your credit report, staying on record for 7 to 10 years depending on the type of bankruptcy. Multiple bankruptcy filings can significantly lower your credit score, hindering your ability to secure future credit, housing, and sometimes even employment. Bankruptcy filings are public records, which means repeated filings can impact your personal reputation. If you're seen to be abusing the bankruptcy system through excessive filings, the court may dismiss your case or ban you from filing in the future. And regular filings can also limit the types of bankruptcy relief available to you. For that matter, why is consulting a Honolulu bankruptcy attorney crucial? Bankruptcy is a complicated legal process that requires a comprehensive understanding of both federal and state laws. From determining your eligibility to file to understanding the specific timelines involved, a bankruptcy law firm plays an essential role. They can provide the legal guidance necessary to navigate these complex waters and help you make decisions that are in your best interest. If you are in need of bankruptcy advice, by all means, get in touch with a trusted Hawaii bankruptcy attorney today. At Blake Goodman PC Attorney, our team of experienced lawyers is here to help. We specialize in guiding clients through the complexities of bankruptcy, ensuring you're fully informed and confident about your path forward. At Blake Goodman PC Attorney, we tend to view your situation as if we were standing in your shoes. Because of our firm's size, we can provide more comprehensive, responsive, and attentive service than the competition. Visit us at any of our convenient locations in Honolulu, Kaneo, Aiea, and Maui. Don't navigate this journey alone and contact us today for a free consultation. Let our experienced Honolulu bankruptcy attorneys guide you toward financial stability and peace of mind. To schedule your free case consultation, call us at 808-556-7833 or visit us online at debtfreehawaii.com.
Thank you for listening to the Blake Goodman PC Attorneys podcast. Going through bankruptcy can be a difficult and complex situation, but it doesn't have to be if you have us on your side. Your path to financial freedom starts here. Get in touch with the experienced bankruptcy lawyers at Blake Goodman PC Attorney today to explore your options.